Let's be honest, GIFs are still funny and see plenty of use. So what if you could turn any funny moment from a video into a GIF? Maybe you've laughed at something funny on YouTube or TikTok and you want to turn it into a reaction GIF and share it with your friends. Well, I'm gonna show you the perfect solution that you can use to generate GIFs and how to do it in just a few minutes. First, you need to go to Flixier.com and click on Get Started. After doing this, you can import your video from your device or from other platforms like Google Drive, Photos, Dropbox, or Zoom. If you already have the video on YouTube, you can use YouTube Studio to download your video. However, if you only want to use a small portion of a video that's already online and you have permission from the existing creator, or if your usage falls under fair use, you can use the link option to import the video from social platforms like TikTok. Once you've imported the video, you'll need to cut it and leave only the part you want to use in your GIF. Remember, GIFs should never be more than a few seconds long. No one's going to sit there and watch a GIF for 2 minutes, not to mention how long it would take to actually load. So, after importing your video, drag it down to the timeline. Once it's there, drag the playhead to where you want your GIF to start and press the S key or click the cut button to split the video. Now move the playhead to where you want your GIF to end and repeat the process. You'll end up with 3 clips on the timeline. Delete the 2 parts that you don't need, leaving only the segment that you want to use as a GIF. To delete the unnecessary parts, right-click on them and choose Delete. This way, the portion you need will automatically be moved to the beginning of the timeline. Now that you only have the part you need, you can adjust its resolution. For example, if you want your GIF to be vertical, you can go to the canvas, click on Resolution, and select the resolution you need. The canvas updates in real time so you can see how your video will turn out. If you set a vertical resolution and your video is horizontal, you can make some adjustments like zooming in to cover the whole screen and position it correctly. Now that you've positioned it correctly on the screen, the only thing left to do is to export it. However, you have to be careful here because you have to select GIF from the list instead of video. Once you've done that, you can export your new GIF and in just a few minutes you'll be able to share it with your friends on various social networks. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Check out our YouTube channel if you want to watch more useful video editing tutorials. Until next time, happy editing!